we have been invited to this workshop today as newly appointed principals. Although some of us were appointed as early as 2022, but they never got a chance to be elected. We really appreciated that even those that were just appointed are part of this induction workshop so that they don't encounter problems that were encountered by the principals that were inducted in 2022, that were appointed in 2022 and never got inducted. We are hoping that, as we all know, that there is no school that is meant for principals, but you become a leader as you go. We are hoping that this workshop will help us to strengthen the leadership skills that is within us. We know that we are leaders by birth, we leaders by education, but mostly we lead through experience. And then we're also hoping that as there are so many presentations that are going to be done, some of us are facing challenges that we don't know how to deal with financial management, to deal with administration through this program of SASMs. And mostly, we must, as principals, be able to manage curriculum, teaching and learning, which is the core business. We're hoping this induction workshop will help us to deal with those issues and some other issues that I didn't mention. Lastly, the conflicts. We should be able to manage the conflicts because we know that if conflicts are not managed, schools at the end they become not functional. Thank you so much.